Doctors have specializations. And when the issue is outside of their specialization, they refer you. God specializes in all things. Sometimes you hear that God specializes in the impossible. But the truth is that He actually also specializes in the possible. Whether it's possible or impossible, God can handle it all. And there are people that have altered their lives because they prayed. Listen to me. Not all things that happen are meant to happen. You hear people say, well, it happened because it was meant to happen. Not every time. There are doors that are open that you are meant to shut so that nonsense will not flow into your life. And yet there are doors that are shut that you are meant to open so that certain things can flow in your direction. Don't resign to faith, because there is the power of prayer.